Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to solve slow opening of Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, come to the top right here where you see this three dot here. Click on that and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have settings. So click on settings and it's going to take you here. So what you need to do next is to simply go to system and performance. So click on that and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do on that startup boot, what you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here, and with that restart your PC and relaunch your Edge browser. It will run fast and smoothly and improve your browsing performance. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.